Applying Aura Table Filter is simple. Let's walk through both methods. First, Page View Mode. Open your Confluence page. For regular pages, click the Aura Table Filter icon below the page title. In the displayed modal, Aura Table Filter shows all available tables and page properties reports that can be enhanced. Select the items that you want. In this example, I select both and then click Activate. A new page version is now created, and your standard table and page properties report are immediately enhanced with Aura Table Filter capabilities. If you're working on a Space homepage, click the three-dot button, navigate to Apps, and select Aura Table Filter. From there, simply follow the same steps as you would for a regular page. If your page doesn't yet have any tables, you can conveniently insert a sample table for you to explore its features. Now let's look at the second method, Page Edit Mode. Insert the Aura Table Filter macro into your Confluence page. I'm using the convenient / command here. Within the macro, either create a new table or paste your existing one directly into it. Finally, I will delete this first one and click Update to publish my changes. You're all set. Now you can fully explore the powerful capabilities of Aura Table Filter and unlock new ways to interact with your data. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.